Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this air fryer from Silvercrest. It is a basic model, can be used to grill, bake and fry. Fries without needing to add oil or fat, very healthy. With a 30-minute timer and automatic shut off. Adjustable temperature from 80 to 200 Celsius. 1.9 liter capacity, 1000 watts. BPA free with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Eat healthy. The cable length, it is 1 meter. Silicone pads at the feet. It will stay very secure at any surface at your countertop. We have ventilation opening at the back and at the bottom around. The handle, full and open, maximum capacity it says here. Inside it is the grid, you can pull to remove. It has these silicone parts around, 3. The heating element. Here it is the timer, you can adjust 10, 15, 20, maximum 30 minutes. And you can hear the clock. And when the cooking process ends, you can hear this bell. Here we have the temperature control knob, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 degrees Celsius the maximum. The cooking indicator on green color and the operating indicator red color. And we have some icons here. For the French fries, 200 degrees Celsius, cooking time 18 to 23 minutes. For the steak, 180 degrees Celsius, 6 to 10 minutes the cooking time. For the cake, 160 degrees Celsius, 15 minutes the cooking time. Or for pizza, 180 degrees Celsius, 10 to 12 minutes the cooking time. Shrimps, 180 degrees Celsius, cooking time 10 to 15 minutes. For fish and more. I will start with frozen fries. Maximum capacity it is 200 to 400 grams. This one is 300 grams. It is very small, definitely it fits at any countertop. Temperature 200 degrees Celsius, the maximum. And cooking time 18 to 23 minutes. 20 minutes and I will check the cooking process. The LED indicator. And it will stop automatically when I will remove the lid. Shake it a little bit and it will start again. This kitchen gadget is all about making healthier cooking easier and more convenient, and I hope this video has shown you what it can do. The cooking indicator it is on. With the ability to cook your favorite foods using little to no oil, this air fryer helps you enjoy crispy, delicious meals with fewer calories and less fat. It's a great way to make your diet healthier without sacrificing flavor. And it is ready. Oh yes. Salt, and you are ready to eat. Now next let's try the sausages. Maximum 300 grams. (180°C). Cooking time 8 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The air fryer isn't just for frying, you can also roast, bake and grill a wide variety of dishes. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, the possibilities are endless. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to select the right temperature and cooking time, whether you are an unexperienced cook or a kitchen newbie. This air fryer is easy to operate. And it's ready! Wow! Yummy! Delicious! Next I will test these squid rings in butter frozen. Maximum 300 grams. This is 200 grams. 200°C, 6 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. With fast heat up times and even cooking, you can have meals ready in minutes. The air fryer's rapid air circulation technology ensures your food cooks quickly and evenly, saving you time in the kitchen. Beautiful color. Cook it so well. Next it is the frozen chicken, maximum 300 grams. (200°C), 12 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. The sleek and compact design of the air fryer means it won't take up too much counter space, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen, big or small. Nice! And it is very easy to clean with the water. The non-stick basket and removable components make cleaning up after cooking a breeze. Simply wipe down the basket or pop it into the dishwasher for effortless maintenance. If you are looking to make your meals healthier, quicker and just as tasty, this air fryer is definitely worth considering. It's a versatile and efficient tool that can transform your cooking routine. I hope this review has given you a good idea of how the air fryer can enhance your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more appliance reviews and cooking tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next cooking meal.